Ay, naku, tong bahay na to. Nag-offer ng pagkain. Walang laman yung humba. Sabi, explain yourself. Nakakahiya sa amin. Wala. It's late afternoon in Illinois. I'm with my nephew and sister. We're going to Larpy's place, 20 minutes from Yorkville. Ang ganda ng mga bahay, social. We're almost here.
Oh, there's three.
There's
I see you.
There's one cat.
The other dog is bigger.
And then there's a black cat.
I can see the farmland. Hi.
Ang busog to eh.
Oh, baby.
Di ba busog ka?
Oo nga. Mamaya hindi na. Vodka. Pineapple vodka. Pineapple vodka. Graduation flowers.
Oh, flower. Yeah, para namang sushi kanina.
Oo nga eh. Ay! Ano ka ba? Sushi. Sushi. Ang sarap naman.
Last minute. Yeah. Saan dinidip ito?
I haven't tasted the viral cucumber salad. Let's see if it's good. Hayden made this, so probably it's not. I'm just kidding. Eating all day, non-stop. Till I blow up. Maasim pala yan. I don't like maasim.
Ang arte kagandahan.
Correct.
Inom ka, kasi hindi ako iinom.
It's karaoke time.
Daya yan eh.
Cheers and tables.
Wow ba? Wow.
Desire that I want it that way. Nom nom nom. And I want to share. Else will do. You'll always be.
Ikaw ganun talaga.
One day as we look back, we'll always treasure the one that I desire. Growing up, getting down, think both feet on the ground. How can I go wrong this time? Shut ka naman yun. Susi. Susi. Ginagago yung aso. Sushi, come here. Sushi, come here. Here. Yeah. Sushi. 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 Wait. Sushi, come here. Sushi, come here.
Galing pa ba yun sa ibang state? Yung ba yung kinuha ko sa board? Sino ba yung refer ko dyan?
Sushi ka.
Marami pala sila.
Sushi ka.
Marami ka na.
Grabe, may humba.
Wait muna.
Tapos may sinigang pa. Kain. Wala po katapusan kumain ngayong araw na to. Bakit po ba? Sobra po ba kaming blessed? Hashtag blessed. Sana Lord, wala na kami makain ngayong araw na to. Bukas na ulit. Magbibigay ka na ng ice cream at tigas pa. So mag-aantay pa ako, di ba? So kailan mo dumelt yan?
A few moments later.
Ay, naku, tong bahay na to. Nag-offer ng pagkain. Walang laman yung humba. Tapos yung isda niya, yung pampano, parang papaano na. Buto na lang. Nakakaya sa amin. Wala.
Sushi!
Binigyan mo kami buto na lang ng isda.
Sushi needs to explain.
Thank you, Larpy and Hayden, for a fabulous time. Till next time.